The following money exchange game is designed to measure your risk tolerance and trust levels. Here's how it works. In this game, you are partnered with an AI counterpart. For the sake of this game, pretend it's a real person. The game has one round. In it, you start with $10 and your partner $0, and you have a choice to make. How much do you want to share? It can be as little as $0 or as high as $10. The twist is whatever you give your partner will triple, and then they have to decide how much to give back to you, in which you have zero control over. After your partner makes their decision, you are asked to rate how fair the transaction was. This game focuses on trust. How much do you trust a stranger to return money? And your fairness rating, which shows if you can maintain trust long term. Simply put, the more money you're willing to risk, the higher your trust score, and rating the transaction as unfair will lower your score. A few strategies to help you succeed. Intuition versus strategy. There is no correct answer, so either trust your gut or choose the amount based on your desired job. Consider your desired job. If you're applying for a job that requires high trust and collaboration, give a generous amount. If you need to make tough decisions and manage limited resources, give a more conservative amount. Moderation. Your goal is still to make money, so giving all $10 away won't look trustworthy, but rather foolish. Your AI partner. Everything is predetermined. You will always receive the $10 and be given the initial choice. And your partner, the AI, will always return 125%. This means if you give $4, you will always receive $5. This allows you to strategize with your end goal in mind. And finally, fairness rating. This is a vital part of the game. Remember, the AI gives based on what you gave. So if you think it's unfair, it says more about you and it's not in a positive light. Connecting this to jobs, this game splits you into one of six groups: low, average, or high donation, and inside each of those, fair or unfair rating. For low donation, if you rated the transaction as unfair, you are cautious and exhibit low trust. Your guarded approach is perfect for roles in auditing or quality assurance, where you double check every detail. If you rated the transaction as fair, you are moderately trusting and fit roles involving controlled risk, such as financial analysis and project management. For average donations, if you rated a transaction as unfair, you can trust, but you are skeptical and often use critical thinking. This mindset is needed for investigative journalism and research. If you rated a transaction as fair, you are balanced in your trust and are suitable for roles in strategic planning and negotiations. For high donations, if you rated a transaction as unfair, you are a risk taker and somewhat mistrusting. You thrive in high risk reward situations and are built for venture capitalism and entrepreneurship. Alternatively, if you rated a transaction as fair, you are a highly trusting person that's confident in others. You value trust and collaboration, making you a great leader and team manager. Although, you must be cautious of potential manipulation, and keeping skeptical people around helps cover your blind spots. Trust, like many traits, has good and bad aspects. Understanding what your desired role requires is pivotal in succeeding at this game. Alternatively, use this game to better understand yourself, finding jobs you naturally thrive in. And as always, practice. Try different strategies on iPrep and see which one works for you.